Hi guys, welcome back to Mardex. Today we're going to be eating these
Mauritian snacks. So we've got king corn chicken flavour.
banana chips.
We've got banana chips, like banana crisps I think they are.
King corn cheese flavour.
Yeah, so we've got 2 king corns, 1 cheese, 1 chicken.
Pop pop.
We've got pop pop, and then I think this is sweet corn flavour. So look at them. I think there's. So what do you want to start off by having? The king corns.
Yeah.
You can have a cheese one.
Yeah. God. It's hard to open, guys.
These look disgusting.
How can you have me open it? It's hard.
They look weird.
I can smell the cheese already.
Alright, I'll wait for Dex to open his.
Can you help?
No, I'm not helping. Just open it.
Go!
We've opened all of them now, so we're going to start off by trying these. Do you want to start off?
Yeah. This is cheese flavour, I think.
And this is chicken.
Like,
It doesn't taste like chicken, it tastes like bacon.
these like, remember those little things, the hoop things?
No.
They taste like when I'm done.
No.
The cheese
Not-
things.
I'm not the biggest fan.
I love this.
So next,
Pop pop.
we're going to try some of these next. So they're a bit like the banana chips you get in England. So like, look.
They have the banana pattern.
Yeah, look. So they're just pop bits of banana. Let's try.
They're just weird. This is a bit weird.
They actually don't taste like banana at all. They just taste like, I don't know what they taste
I
like.
prefer this than that.
Yeah, I prefer these. But, and then we'll be trying these
Pop.
yeah, they're called pop pops. So they're like,
I'll have that one.
wait,
Oh god, these are massive. Yeah.
these are like a bigger, like a larger version of these really, don't they?
Yeah. Ready?
You ready?
Step. Go.
How is it?
Go. They're quite weird.
I'm not the biggest fan. They taste like corn on the cob. They do. In my opinion, I'd say this is like a 3 out of 10. This is a 9. I like them. And then you've got that corn snack. I'd say it's like a 5.
Wait,
So
can I try one?
of course. What do you think of it?
Wait. One. Yeah.
You good? You like them, do you?
Mhm.
Would you say them are your favourite? What one's your favourite?
This is like a 9. That's a 9.
What
This
do you-
is that's like a 5. This is probably like 8.
So, thank you for
Watching this video, guys.
We'll see you soon for some more Mardex.